Thank you so much, Mr. Chair. I can tell you that one of the most heartbreaking experiences that I've had as a member of Congress is to watch this Congress attempt to balance the deficit and the budget on the backs of infants, on the backs of children who need their educational opportunity, and on the backs of seniors. We have seen gargantuan efforts to cut Medicare, the main program to prevent poverty for our seniors, Medicaid, women, infants, and children's program, nutrition programs for children, effort to decimate educational opportunity for young people, while we refuse to end tax breaks for the big oil. The big five companies made nearly $1 trillion, $1 trillion in profits in the last decade. And yet we continue to insist on providing tax breaks for these profitable companies. Every year, we provide subsidies to oil companies that they pocket. In addition to that, Mr. Chairman, we are cutting food for babies. I saw numerous amendments to cut monies for lactating moms, pregnant women, newborn babies, while we refuse to end the tax breaks for millionaires. We cannot afford another $800 billion in tax cuts for the top 2% in our country. This is backwards, this is un-American, and with that I would yield back the balance of my time.